Are you ready to transform your Squarespace real estate website from functional to phenomenal? In just 90 seconds, we'll unlock the secrets to making your real estate site a client-attracting powerhouse first. Let's talk about visual first impressions high quality. Aspirational photography is non-negotiable. Squarespace's image blocks and galleries are your best friends here. Select a clean, minimalist template that prioritizes your stunning listing photos. Think big, beautiful hero images on your homepage that instantly convey the quality of your listings. Next, structure is key to showcasing properties effectively. Use Squarespace's collection features, like pages or galleries, to create dedicated sections for your listings within each property listing. Utilize image blocks to display multiple angles of the home, and text blocks to clearly present essential details like price, bedrooms, bathrooms, and a compelling description. Avoid overwhelming visitors. Keep the layout clean and easy to scan. Now, let's build trust and highlight your expertise here. About page is crucial. Use a professional headshot, a circumflex euros, no selfies, a circumflex euros, and write a concise narrative that emphasizes your local knowledge, experience, and client success stories. Integrate Squarespace's testimonial block to showcase glowing reviews from past clients. This social proof is invaluable in converting hesitant visitors into leads. Finally, make it easy for potential clients to connect. Ensure your contact information is prominently displayed on every page. Ideally in the header or footer. Use Squarespace's form block to create a user-friendly contact form that guides inquiries effectively. A clear call to action, like schedule a showing or request a consultation, strategically placed throughout your site, will drive engagement and generate valuable leads for your real estate business.